Here we go. The antivirus program, if you will. Why would I get yelled at? And now my dad told me I'm a bad person, and I freaking hate that. I am not a bad person. I will virus program on my mental computer. You guys are doing me dirty. I don't say this something, and I know we gon' weather for this freaking thing. I know I'm a bullet and strap. I'm a antivirus program on my mental computer, cause someone told me something I don't like. This is what I do, and I'm not a bad person. That's why I'm making these songs. Rolling it out, hook, put me on a hook, down that hook. I wanna duck the hook, cause I gotta see a hook. Yo, I tell me that's the best thing that I saw. It is okay to do this thing. A virus program that you get of me. I am not a bad person. I will program if you keep on saying I'm a bad person. Daddy gets mad all the time. I was just talking to him. Yeah. Daddy gets mad at me all of the time. I was just talking to him. I'm a antivirus program on my mental computer. This is what I do. What I say, I gotta be bad. Lord, I am not a bad person. He needs to stop saying that I'm a bad person. If he tells me that I'm a bad person one more time and he says I'm acting up, no, I'm not a bad person. And if you say I'm a bad person one more time, I will antivirus program on my mental computer. If you tell me I'm a bad person, antivirus program on my mental computer. Go for the party. Got those wizards built, I got to put it on the top with a Mia flowing lot. Get upset, not throwing the lights. I will antivirus program on my mental computer. Telling what to me. I don't promise that I sue. Why I did not get a Chromebook extra full. I will a virus program on my mental computer. Think you're playing games.